Well, looking at the landscape here, which is surrounding River Marewa, these areas are a subcatchment for River Marewa, and it's the main feeder for Lake Naivasha, a global hotspot actually for conservation.
Within the last 25 years, the indigenous forest has been cleared, resulting in soil degradation, natural springs drying up, high levels of siltation in the River Malewa, and a definite change in rainfall.
Yes, it was a huge and very dense forest here. You see this ravine? There were huge cedar trees, and over there is that ridge. The forest was so dense that we could not cross over from this ridge to the other. There were a lot of trees which people started cutting down as they settled in to get building and fencing materials, as well as clear land for farming.
Over that area we had a lot of indigenous trees, but people have cut it down. And the stream is dry now. Yeah.
Concerned community members are already taking action and have asked Eden to help expand their efforts.
As a result of people destroying the environment, we decided to plant the trees around this area. And we went to Eden Director Miriam and we borrowed some trees, and he donated for us trees, and we planted on this side.
Eden has been operating in Gatamaiyu for the last 10 years, conducting ongoing after-school environmental clubs, community tree planting efforts, awareness programs on the dangers of kitchen smoke, as well as life skills entrepreneurship programs for youth.
At this moment, Eden has already created trust with the community.
Eden has donated seedlings, and the tree planting has really improved our lives. Trees are costly and not affordable to most people, so we request more support from Eden to plant more trees in the valleys. We, as a community, are willing to plant more.
The community becomes empowered. They have the capacity to take part in conservation. They are able to sit down and say, this is what we're gonna do. So I'm looking at a very participatory process where we sit down and we say, this is how it was. And this is where the rivers were, this is where the streams were, and these were the tree species that existed, and you can put it back. So I'm looking at the interconnection of all these things, their livelihood and how it relates to the environment, and how we can interconnect the two.
Okay. There is public land in Gatamaiyu where people have been planting trees along the springs, and most of people plant their own land. If people can get seedlings, they will continue planting because they have seen a difference in rainfall.
Eden has the organizational capacity and local goodwill to manage the much-needed interventions to improve community awareness on local environmental issues, to build capacity, empower community groups to implement restoration strategies, as well as carry out the necessary monitoring and evaluation. Help Eden do what we're committed to doing here in Kenya, cultivating this community's potential to thrive. Visit our website to donate to this cause today.